Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech. We have already completed part 1 and part 2 and part 3 in which I discussed nouns, pronouns and their types. And after that verb form is there. So I have already uploaded so many videos on verb forms. So in which I have included all verb forms. So if you have missed it, so kindly watch all the videos regarding with verb forms. Today we are going to learn part 4 in which I will discuss what are adverbs. Let's begin. There are total 8 parts of speech from which we have completed noun, pronoun and verb. So today we are going to see adverb. Let's see the definition. Words are divided into different kinds according to their use called parts of speech. There are total 8 kinds of words and they are called parts of speech in English. Today we will see adverbs. Let's see the definition of adverb. A word which adds something to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done or where it is done is called an adverb. This thing you have to remember, adverbs can appear in the beginning, middle or at the end of a sentence. Let's try to understand with the help of examples. First, sometimes it is better to forgive others. So sometimes, here this is an adverb and it appears in the beginning. So this is adverb. Second, he seldom speaks to me. Not always. Okay, not all the time but seldom. So this is an adverb and this appears in the middle. This seldom adds something to the meaning of verb that is speaks. That is why seldom. Third one, it rained all afternoon yesterday. So here first you have to find out where is verb. Here rain, that is verb. Okay. So according to the definition, word which adds something to the meaning of verb, that is called an adverb. Here rain, that is verb. And here yesterday, this word adds something to the meaning of rain. That's why yesterday, that is an adverb. Here this yesterday appears at the end of a sentence. So this way adverbs can appear in the beginning, middle and at the end of the sentence. Let's see examples. Okay, first, the old man walked slowly. See the picture. Okay, now here how to find out an adverb. I am showing you the trick to find out adverb. First of all, to find out adverb, you have to go to verb. So find out verb from the given example or sentence. So here the old man, that is subject. After that walked. Walked, that is verb. Okay, now what is the definition of an adverb? Word which adds something to the meaning of a verb. So here walk. So if I ask that how did the old man walk? So answer would be the old man walked slowly. So here slowly, that is an adverb. Second, the little boy ran quickly. Okay. at the picture. The boy is running. Now here I have made this sentence in past tense. That's why I have written ran. Okay, find out verb from this sentence. So ran, that is V2 form, that is verb. And if I ask question, how did the little boy run? So answer would be the little boy ran quickly. So quickly, this word adds something to the meaning of this verb, that is ran. That is why quickly, that is an adverb. Next, the sun shone brightly. Here, brightly, this word adds something to the meaning of this verb shone. That's why brightly, that is an adverb. Just you have to follow the trick which I am giving to you. The soldier fought bravely. This is the sentence. Okay. Now, if I ask that how did the soldier fight? So, answer would be the soldier fought bravely. So, immediately after fought, that is verb. Immediately after fought, you will get bravely. So, bravely, that is an adverb. Why? Because this bravely, this word adds something to the meaning of fought. Verb. That's why bravely, that is an adverb. Next, time flies fast. Okay. So, question, how does time fly? So, time flies fast. Find out verb. Flies, that is verb. Now, fast, that is an adverb because this fast, this word adds something to the meaning of flies. I can do it easily. Okay. Find out verb from this. Can do. The whole is called verb or predicate, and easily adds something to the meaning of can do. That's why easily, that is an adverb. Ishika got up early. Okay, from this find out verb first of all. Got. Okay, here got up is given. So got up. Got, that is verb. Okay, then early. Early adds something to the meaning of got up. That's why early, that is an adverb. Okay, look at the picture. The boys are playing football. So I have framed sentence in past tense, simple past. So they played football yesterday. So find out verb first of all from the given sentence. Here played, that is verb, and this yesterday adds something to the meaning of verb, that is played. That is why yesterday, that is an adverb. I have heard this before. Okay, have heard, this is verb, and this here before that is given, that is an adverb. Next, she will come soon. Okay, will come, this is verb, and soon, that is an adverb because this soon. So this adds something to the meaning of this will come, verb. That's why this soon is an adverb. I always speak the truth. Okay, now here find out verb. Here verb is not always. Here speak, that is verb, and here always, that is an adverb. Come tomorrow. So come, that is verb, and tomorrow, that is an adverb because this tomorrow adds something to the meaning of verb, that is come. He never told a lie. Okay, so he never told. So told, that is verb, and never, that is an adverb. The sky is above. Okay, above, below, all these. So here the sky is above. So here verb is. And here above, add something to the meaning of this is. Where is the sky? Above, below. So here it is given, indicated with the help of above. So that is called an adverb. The bottle is there. Okay. Now see, this is the bottle. Okay. I am putting it there. And if I say that the bottle is there. Okay. So here, there, that is an adverb. The boy is going upstairs. Okay, upstairs, downstairs. Okay, all these are called adverbs. So here, according to the sentence and picture, it is given the boy is going upstairs. So find out verb. So is going. This is called verb or predicate. And upstairs, that adds something to the meaning of verb, that is going. That's why upstairs, that is an adverb. Okay, we sat inside, inside, outside. So here it is given, we sat inside. So sat, that is verb, and then inside, that is an adverb. Why? Because inside this word shows that something you have to add in the verb, in action. Okay, so that's why here it is given, we sat inside. So inside adds something to the meaning of this verb sat. That's why inside, that is an adverb. Walk 10 steps forward. Okay, forward and backward. Okay, so we are talking about forward. Here action is indicated. So first of all, find out verb. So walk, that is verb. Okay, walk 10 steps forward. So forward, that adds something to the meaning of this verb, that is walk. That's why forward is called an adverb. The smoke rises upwards. Upwards, downwards. So here it is given upwards. So here rises, that is verb, and upwards, that is an adverb, because this word upwards adds something to the meaning of this verb, that is rises. He has gone away. Okay, so here has gone, the whole is called predicate or verb, and here away, this word adds something to the meaning of has gone. That's why away, that is an adverb. Hope you understood well. Now let's do exercise. Find out adverbs from the following sentences. Okay, 4 sentences are mentioned. You have to find out what are adverbs. So do it now, then we will check answers. Let's check answers. In first, Sam writes neatly. Okay, so here first you have to find out, according to our trick, you have to find out verb first. So here writes, that is verb, and neatly. So neatly adds something to the meaning of this verb, that is why neatly, that is an adverb. Next, they lived happily. So here lived, that is verb, and happily adds something to the meaning of this verb lived. That is why answer is happily. She looked up. Up, down. So here it is given up. So verb form, V2 form is there. So find out verb from this, look. Okay, and after that it is given up. So here up. Okay, last one. The map is there. So here is, that is verb, and there, that is an adverb. So if you are misconception that only by adding ly to any verb we can frame this adverb, so it is not so. It is there, but along with that, this up, down, all these things also matter. So it is not like that just adding ly at the end you will have an adverb. It is not like that. So remember all these things. So friends, here we end our session. We will soon meet in my next video. My next video will be based on the same series of parts of speech, and we will do types of adverbs. So get ready for that. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.